If you want to switch Telegram into dark mode, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Dark mode is great if you use Telegram at night, prefer a softer look on your screen, or just want the app to feel a little easier on the eyes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to turn it on step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick app guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens the main menu where Telegram keeps a lot of its settings and options. After the menu appears, look for the night mode option. Depending on your version of Telegram, it may appear as a toggle right in the menu or inside the settings area. Simply switch night mode on, and Telegram will immediately change to dark mode. You should see the background become darker and the app interface update to a more comfortable low light theme. If you want to switch back later, just follow the same steps and toggle night mode off. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on dark mode in Telegram in just a few taps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.